Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch Pro 5 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button or the side button, one of these. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the sun. And this is the screen brightness icon. If you want to adjust the screen brightness, tap on this icon. Here, make sure to disable the adaptive brightness, because if you leave it enabled, the brightness will basically change automatically itself according to the surrounding light. So if you want the screen brightness to stay at the specific level, you need to disable the adaptive brightness, and then you can adjust it by typing on the minus and plus buttons. And once you adjust the brightness, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. You can also go to the brightness settings through the, or rather open the brightness settings through the settings on your watch. So you can wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon. In settings you can find the option called display and tap on it. And here you should see the option called adjust brightness. You can tap on it, and again you can adjust the brightness. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.